Before the roar of the waterfall, there's a quiet walk leading to the river. Deep inside the forests of Kerala, a river quietly makes its way through endless shades of green. From the sky, it looks calm and peaceful. This is the Chalakudy River, flowing through the Western Ghats, carrying the energy of the monsoon. But just ahead, this peaceful river is about to transform into something spectacular. Suddenly, the river reaches the edge. The calm flow turns into a massive cascade of water. Welcome to Athirappilly Waterfalls, often called the Niagara of India. During the monsoon season, the waterfall becomes incredibly powerful, with enormous volumes of water crashing into the valley below. From above, the scale of this place is truly breathtaking. Monsoon completely transforms this landscape. The river grows stronger. The waterfall becomes louder. And the forests turn a deep, vibrant green. Mist rises from the falling water, drifting across the valley. Down here, it's not just about watching the waterfall. It's about feeling it. The mist, the sound, the energy all around you. This entire region is part of the Western Ghats, one of the richest biodiversity zones in the world. These forests are home to many rare species, including the magnificent great hornbill. But even without spotting wildlife, the raw energy of Athirappilly is unforgettable. After the dramatic drop, the river continues its journey through the forest. From above, you can see how water slowly shapes the landscape, carving valleys and flowing through ancient forests. Moments like this remind us how powerful and timeless nature really is. But in the Western Ghats, the weather can change very quickly. Clear skies suddenly turn dark. Clouds move in. And the rain begins to pour. Flying a drone in monsoon conditions can become risky. So it's time to bring the drone safely back home. Through the mist and rain, the drone slowly makes its way back. From peaceful rivers, to roaring waterfalls, to sudden monsoon storms, Athirappilly shows the true power and beauty of nature. And from the sky, the magic of Kerala feels even more extraordinary.